right now we're at that place with Malachi and Rema. I already put my order in. I got pineapple juice. Bussin'. Let me look at the camera. I'm looking at myself. So we're in the plaza and we're walking. My hand still hurts. It's the road.
They got the application called.
I've never been here before. So we're at the Apple store. Apple store. Waiting. Malachi's over there in the virtual life.
He wants to do it so bad.
She got a ring book.
Right here. Are you serious?
Yeah, down here in this area, in West Bottoms. They had it on case of discovery. And he was riding a bike and
This is actually cool. If they did. They back in World War II.
Okay.
No, I'm serious.
Babe, you're loud.
Alright, we up in these streets. Remember all them vendors that was right there? That is so nice how they like, you know, got everything out and now it's just empty. But I'm pretty sure the escape room is downstairs.
First of all,
one each day.
it's crooked.
You hear me?
It's not mine. The bottles for Cam.
For Cameron.
You like shrimp anyways? You got that.
Both.
You got it, Goofy.
But I am a hustler. I get it together every time. So far,
People.
anyone and everyone.
This is like the whole reason why I went on a social media fast, because I kept doing it.
Get him!
me?
Any cordless, so
Oh no, he's not asleep.
It's in there.
We'll have one of the kids.
Just play off the dome.
Huh?
Just play off the dome and we'll make something up.
Broke your ankles.
What's this one, bud?
It was supposed to be rest on us.
Well, he doesn't have the Quaker either. Looking forward to some rest.
Spirit was moving over the water. Spirit Go ahead. Go ahead, Jess.
I heard it.
Oh, rest on.
That wasn't it.
Because the spirit was moving.
That came from the pit of her
What
stomach.
spirit are you talking about? Yeah, there you go.
I had to walk away. You didn't even tell him. Oh my god.
I didn't sleep here all night.
Row, row, row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down. Merrily, 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 merrily.
Merrily, 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 merrily.
I remember the first time my pastor asked me to write a poem or a spoken word for the grand opening
Oh, she
of
was
the
fire
Cure Church,
spoken
Blue
word.
Springs, Missouri.
Yeah.
I said,
I think I showed it to you, didn't I?
you gotta be kidding.
Where does that work?
I had
Because
anxiety.
you guys weren't pastors when we were at work yet.
No, it was before we were pastors
Yeah,
that
it
she
was
wrote
maybe,
that.
yeah.
Let me tell you the story about one time whenever I was outreaching.
It was about the follow.
And so we were down, and you know where Westport's. There's like this psychic lady that had her like little shop out there, and we're talking about Jesus, and we're trying to witness to people. And she's like, "I'll listen to you if you listen to me." I said, "Okay." And so I go in there, and I'm telling her about the Lord. She's like, "Okay, now listen to me." She said, and I don't believe this stuff. You know, I'm a Christian, but I'm just trying to win her to God. And so I ended up listening to her story, and she's like, "I'm feeling this about you." She's like, "Do you ever feel aggressive?" I'm like, "Yeah, sometimes I feel aggressive, but you know, it's natural." She goes, "Have you ever, when you were a child, did you ever get bit by a dog?" I'm like, "Yeah, every kid gets bit by a dog." You know what I mean? Like well, most kids have gotten bit by a dog at least once.
Bit by a frog.
I'm like, that's not
Well,
normal.
you guys lived in the wrong neighborhood.
Believe it or not,
I wasn't jumping
bit by a
Anyways.
snail once.
Yeah, right.
It's not uncommon for a kid to have been bitten by a dog. So I'm like, okay, big deal, lady. You're not very psychic, okay? You're just saying these general things.
Phony.
She goes, well, the thing about that is you were a wolf in your past life. I'm like, you are tripping.
Right.
Past life.
And she goes, no, like you were a wolf in your this life. That's why, like whenever you go out, you're the leader. You're like the alpha male of the pack. I'm like, now this lady's tripping.
Now you got it.
I got
What
Desmond right in
weed
my
was
mind
you-
as soon
what
as
weed
he
you
said that.
smoke?
But check
Right.
this out. Come over here real quick, Noah. She said, feel that spot on your neck. Feel the spot on my neck real quick.
Oh man, I wish I could get up.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm doing it.
But feel it.
Told you. As soon as you said feel the spot on my neck, I was like, oh.
Guys, so I'm at church. This is the lesson for today. Y'all can pause the video to read if you want to. But I got here late and I didn't have this shirt. I feel won't last long at all. Cause oh my goodness. The material. Today's Sunday and this is my braid out that I did. It's my braid out that I did last night because I washed my hair because I worked on the food truck. And by the way, they have a new food truck. And then I didn't get to record me getting ready because I literally did not have a lot of time at all. I ended up getting left at home because they had to go, and then Shannon had to come back and pick me up. But I'm gonna show you guys my outfit of the day. Oh, I got this little purse, and then heels. Hopefully you guys can see. There's all the children. There's the baby.
Oh, he look like that every time.
For rain.
He don't want you to. Nope. Maverick, how you gonna wash his face? Your face ain't even all the way washed. Your face ain't even all the way washed.
Good job. What? You want to get up there? You want to get up there?
Don't me.
Rain wants to get up there.
It's going to fall.
Scoot over. My baby can get up here.
What's the wait time?
So we're at I don't know what this is. This is Denver biscuits. Thank you. She dramatic, y'all. Real dramatic. Ooh, Anna, don't be dramatic. This is not a scary movie. Don't think store. To the right. And then information. You got your ID? Malachi? Oh, yeah. Okay, that wasn't that bad.
You was dramatic.
She's dramatic.
Don't use that there anymore. It's gonna have more feathers.
That's gonna be on the cover art.
Look at that.
That's gonna be the cover picture. Earring piercing going wrong.
Look at this one. I don't want to do that, but I want to.
Take that skill.
Ooh, thank you for not counting. 'Cause I was not expecting that. Thank you.
There we go.
Yeah.
You're gonna cut that?
Huh?
You gonna cut it here?
Oh yeah.